Meet Gulfstream Intelligence, a connected regulatory workspace built for regulatory, clinical, quality, medical writing, and program teams that need faster answers and stronger control. The home dashboard is the starting point. Common regulatory workflows, current intelligence, agency activity, and program updates come together in one operating view, with every major workspace available from the left navigation. Across the top, the world clock keeps global work synchronized. See local weather and the time in New York, Los Angeles, London, and Tokyo. Green shows working hours, muted shows off hours, and +1 marks the next day. Click any city to search time zones, replace a location, or switch between 12 and 24-hour time. The calendar icon remains available from every page. Type or paste a request in plain language, including the date, time, and email reminder. Gulfstream interprets the request, lets the user review it before saving, and keeps upcoming work visible in the same calendar. The notification bell keeps important work visible, scheduled reminders, completed simulations, new findings, and other activity. Each item provides a direct path back to the relevant work. Regulatory chat supports two ways of working. General mode is ideal for research, explanations, and broad regulatory questions. Program mode adds the selected program context for deeper strategy and risk analysis. Users can choose a model, start from suggested prompts, and return to recent conversations. Document Intelligence turns source files into structured insight. It tracks analyzed documents, extracted findings, regulatory gaps, compliance mentions, confidence, document categories, and recent results. So evidence does not disappear inside individual files. Global Gap Assessment evaluates submission readiness across selected regions and stages. Teams can see the assessment basis, documents reviewed, confidence, overall readiness, critical and high-priority gaps, domain-level findings, recommendations, and next steps. Health Authority Simulation helps teams prepare before the real interaction. Gulfstream generates likely questions, identifies critical concerns, groups them by topic, and explains the rationale. Feedback summaries, a meeting brief, and response guidance help teams strengthen their position before engaging the agency. The Submission Planner keeps regulatory plans, authorities, target dates, and progress together. Teams can open an existing plan, start manually, or ask Sailor to generate the complete flow. Instead of building hundreds of rows manually, describe the regulatory outcome in natural language. Sailor can prepare the CTD structure, milestones, dependencies, publishing activities, and a full review workflow. Program evidence can be linked, but generation remains under the user's explicit control. Inside the workspace, review target dates, progress, critical path, risks, milestones, and timeline confidence. Sailor explains assumptions and previews changes, while the captain reviews and approves before anything is applied. Meeting Intelligence turns meetings into follow-through. Add a recap, minutes, transcript, or audio recording. Gulfstream surfaces decisions and action items, tracks owners and due dates, and places approved dates onto the working calendar. The Writing Assistant helps with email, Teams messages, long-form content, or any other format. Paste a rough draft, choose the audience and tone, then let Sailor polish, revise, copy, or prepare it for the user's preferred destination. Regulatory Intelligence and Policy brings guidance, legislation, agency meetings, public deadlines, and official sources into one current feed. Filter by authority or topic, review potential impact, and generate a concise summary when leadership needs the signal quickly. Sailor is also available directly on the Intelligence page. Ask what changed, what deserves attention first, or how an update could affect the organization and its active projects. Answers stay grounded in the current page context. Projects provide the portfolio structure underneath the platform: indication, therapeutic area, health authorities, readiness, status, and recent activity. Teams can import existing work or create a new program. History makes activity traceable. Search, filter, and export conversations, documents, simulations, uploads, models, users, and project context with one clear record of work across the platform. Document Translator supports PDF, Word, PowerPoint, text, and image files. Upload a document, confirm the detected language, and translate while preserving identifiers and agency names. For regulatory leaders and cross-functional life science teams, Gulfstream connects intelligence, evidence, planning, execution, and visibility in one secure, user-controlled workspace.